Welcome!
Welcome to our channel, Stress-Induced Left Eye Twitch. I'm Jillian.
And I'm Bo.
And today we have IPSY versus SEPHORA play. We're so far behind, so let's just...
Is this December?
Roll it out. Yeah, these are Decembers.
My theme is Snow Globe.
Mine is Glam Straight. So I see a theme. New Year's Eve, holidays.
No, mine's just winter.
Oh, okay.
Icicles, fresh blankets of snow.
Let's get into it.
If you don't know what IPSY or SEPHORA Play are, they are monthly subscriptions. You both get them for $10 a month. They send you, mine sends me 5 sample products, yours sends you 6, but hers is always a perfume.
And I need
mine
to
makes up for it because it's always a bag. Like, this is cute.
That's so cute.
You know,
I like
this
that.
reminds me of Jackie.
Yeah, for sure, Jackie.
Yours comes in a satchel.
A satchel.
Oh, it's so nice, though.
I will never use it. Well, actually, that's not straight true. I recently, like a couple days ago, went and saw my brother with my child in Brooklyn.
You didn't wipe that off of me.
And so I packed all of my toiletries in one of these bags.
That would drive me crazy.
Well, okay. Not like my makeup.
Oh, thank you.
You're welcome.
All right, you go first.
But I'm wiping your skin. This pretty vulgar stuff doesn't come off.
Okay, I'll go first.
Okay.
My first one is a brush.
Ooh.
By Lexi.
Lexi.
$2.39 Precision Shader.
Oh, it's so cute. You'll use that.
Really?
It's for eye. It's for
It looks
eyeshadow.
identical to my my naked ones, which that's all I use.
That one's thicker. I know which one.
One of mine side has one. Like
yeah, but it's thicker. I know.
Well, one's a two-sided one.
Yeah, I know what it looks like.
Sure.
Okay, next. My first one is.
Isn't Luxie a good brand?
Peter Thomas Roth.
Ma'am?
Yes, it is. 24 karat gold, pure luxury lift and firm prism cream.
Okay, Jilly does fall for the gold things. Yeah. She used to be obsessed with these things that went under her eye from Wish.
From Wish, but then I broke out. And I wasn't obsessed. I tried them.
Oh.
Ooh, look.
What is it?
Tinted. It says it's a highlighter. But you apply it all over your face, like it's like a mix.
It's an illuminator.
Yeah. It doesn't look very highlighty to me.
Yeah, it does. It has. What are you talking about?
Okay, now it is.
It's very
but just tear me down.
Can you see it, guys? So you mix it in with the foundation?
Or you can put it on your cheekbones, brow bones, cupid bow.
Okay.
Bridge of your nose.
Dirty Little Secret is my next one, which is eyeshadow crayon.
Ooh. Let's see it. Do you need help opening it? I like this one.
In the color Fetch.
What was that? You guys might hear some loud
he
noises.
He went to go get me some Tylenol.
He left the house, Bo's husband did, to go get her Tylenol because she has a headache really bad.
And when you're pregnant, you apparently live in a box.
You live in a bubble.
Yeah.
Oh, that's nice.
What do you do with it?
You use it as like eyeshadow.
And then blend it out?
Yeah.
With my Lexi?
Well, or just
this feels so like, how do you blend this out?
Or you just put it on. Just
actually,
like this.
It's kind of cute. I like it.
Okay, next mine. Ooh, Triple Sec 3-in-1 by Dry Bar. It is
Dry Bar. That's
shake the bottle, then hold about 6 inches away from your head and spray into your roots.
Let's try it.
This dry spray will give you a soft matte texture.
Let's try it.
But there's only like one spray in
here. Do mine.
Okay, ready?
Yep. Okay.
Okay.
It feels very.
I want some.
Very powdery. It
Ooh,
feels
smells
good.
Good. But now it's like gone. Like that 3 sprays, no joke. Look, guys.
No, there's a bunch coming out. Now you're wasting it to try to show
No,
it.
I'm telling you, I feel when it gets cold like this, when it gets cold like that, it means it's running out.
I feel like it's getting in my lungs.
Okay.
It does feel nice.
It does. But I don't notice a huge
I use
difference.
dry shampoo and all of them feel the same to me.
Yeah, but I love dry
Except
shampoo.
one of them makes my hair look like an old lady's.
Oh. That would work in my hair.
It actually would. Okay, my next repeat offender.
Ooh, face cleanser.
I got this, and I really like First Aid Beauty, but I really, really like their moisturizers or their lotions.
They're so thick.
I don't use it, so
love
this
them.
is going in the giveaway.
Giveaway! Guys, for the record, we don't have a giveaway yet.
We're
building our
ready.
Stockpile
because we don't want to just give you like, oh, you get this.
You get one First Aid Beauty face cleanser. Okay, my next one. Should I do the perfume?
Yeah, but that's
Ooh! It's by Tom Ford and it's called Black Orchid. Okay, so Mom had, I can't remember if it was Tom Ford, but there was one perfume that Mom had and I tried it and it must have mixed very poorly with my body chemistry and it smelled so terrible.
That happens to me with spray tans.
Okay, that's true, it does.
I already have a headache. Do you think that this is a good idea?
Oh, it's this one. It's this one. It's
we
so
have similar
bad.
body chemistries.
We do. It smells bad. I can already
it's
tell.
Awful.
It's like the worst smelling perfume. But maybe other people's body chemistries it like works really well with.
It smells like it's
but
trying
mine
to be
it
a bug
doesn't
spray.
work. Yeah.
Like a natural bug spray.
It really didn't work for me. We won't be putting that in a giveaway because I just don't feel like anyone should smell like that right now.
Tom Ford, what did you think of food?
But maybe other people's body chemistry it like works really well with.
I think it's just bad smelling. I don't think my body had a chance to. I took it off.
You can still smell it. It's bad.
Now it smells like mixed with baby wipes.
Next.
Smashbox.
Ooh, a little lippy.
In Legendary.
Wow, what a pretty color.
That actually is a pretty color.
You guys will still use it if we swatch it? Oh, it's so translucent, though.
It's a terrible color.
What is that color?
It looks...
Why is it so translucent?
Like this, that's...
Oh, that looks like an orangey red. It's gorgeous, like burgundy, orangey red. And it's just like completely sheer. Maybe it's a sheer gloss or something. It's called... No, it just says it's a lipstick. Maybe you didn't push hard enough.
I was trying.
No, it's just not that great.
Oh man.
See?
What's happening? And Smashbox, that's a good
Can I have that one?
It looks such a pretty color.
Oh, it was like the prettiest color. Okay, next. You ready? We're using all my baby wipes right now. Okay. Ooh, let's see what mine is. Mine is by Anastasia Beverly Hills.
Anastasia
Beverly Hills. Oh, furry thing. And this one is called Gloss Like a Boss.
I don't remember.
I'm gonna try it on.
Green thing up on the door.
Okay, ready, Bo?
No, I don't want that on me. Grandma color.
Ooh.
I can't bend my
Definitely going in the giveaway pile.
What? Okay, but hold on, guys.
It's pretty though. I just
comes
can't
off
wear it
a lot darker
in real life.
It looks like a lot.
You want me to turn it down?
This is the worst swatch placement.
You can't tell. Okay, next. Yours now.
I know.
Move on.
That dry bar stuff is in my
Look
nose.
how irritated your skin is
I
getting.
know. I think you gotta stop swatching on me. I'm reacting everywhere.
Like, look at right there.
I don't know. Look. What is this child doing to me?
Yeah, Bo's turning into Bella from
Literally,
Twilight.
though, I'm not being dramatic.
Yeah,
I'm
like,
Bella.
Baby girl is like eating her alive from the
She
inside
better
out.
be damn cute.
Bo's swearing.
Demonetized. Orangey cream lip polish. An exfoliant. Ooh, I need that. My lips
You
are
need it so bad. Like, I can
Stop
see
it.
from here. And it's orange. Can I open it for you?
That perfume smells awful.
Oh, it's making your headache
Did
worse.
Mom just have a sample?
Yes, and it was terrible.
And you're just trying to find your signature scent. You smell anything that gets put on you.
Yes.
All right, let's try some.
I'm trying so hard to find my signature. Oh, you have to wash this stuff off, though.
I'll just use a baby wipe. Oh, I need a toilet.
So bad. Ooh. Oh, it smells heavenly.
Oh my gosh.
Smell it.
Can you just like eat this?
Can you smell it?
Mm-hmm. Because I also am congested 24/7 with blood in my nose.
Okay, my next one. This is by Seraphine Botanicals. Oh, it's so nice. I just love that scent so much. Let me smell your lips. It smells good. Okay, my next one is by IPSY. What? IPSY? This is, I don't even know. Which one is this, Bo?
Hold on.
Oh, it's by Laura Mercier. And it's their Eye Basic and Wheat. It's a creamy eyelid primer. Ooh, that's cool.
It looks pretty.
Guys, look what this bag is doing. It's like all over everything I touch right now.
What bag? Your silky bag?
Yeah, it's just like vomiting.
Vomiting.
It's vomiting little fuzzies.
Okay, orange and cream thing, it's not a good tasting thing.
Well, you don't eat it.
I know, but remember that one sugar thing that you gave me?
Yes, I do. I think that was like homemade.
Do my lips look better?
Yeah, they
They
actually
do?
do.
Yay!
You're gonna have to do it again tonight
It's
and
such
like the
dry.
corners.
Okay, I will, but they're very raw.
I know, because then you need to put like a really good cream.
That makes me happy though, because
It looks so much better.
Okay, can you not? Because that makes me insecure.
No, it looks so good. Okay, so this is an eyelid primer, but it looks
very
way
thick.
too dark for me. It's in wheat. I don't know. This looks a little bit too dark for my eye.
Thank you for not swatching it on me.
So I think I'm going to put this in the giveaway just because it's a little too dark for
Maybe
mine.
you with some more tan.
Yeah.
Or you could just wait till you're tan.
I guess. But
We do get, trust us, we do get dark.
we get so dark. We are, well, we don't know what we are. That's a little hint to a video coming up. But our mom has always told us that we have Bohemian in us.
Yeah, but that's like that's not a country.
Yeah, but like we're
Or is it
there-
Bolivia?
Yeah, no.
Bulgaria.
It's like
Norwegian.
Yeah, it's like
Hungarian.
the Romanians. It's like a Romanian descent.
We're gypsies.
We're gypsies. Anyways, moving on. What's your next one?
I'm done.
That's it?
Yeah.
I have one more.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Wait, this is not mine. This is, what are these?
These are the giveaway pile. Giveaway. This is not giveaway.
I'm
this
keeping
is giveaway.
this. I don't need that.
Okay, I'm gonna take that. So this is by Smashbox, and it is their cover shot.
We're at 13
eyeshadow
minutes
duo.
already. What?
Oh, so cute.
It's a little baby one.
But they're coming off super brown, but they're more like mauve-y.
Here.
They're mauve-y. And
Why
I
are
don't
they?
even
Our
tell.
coloring is there. That's a little bit. No.
You can't tell. They're mauve-y. Love it. Okay, well, that's all.
I will use this, and I will use this.
Who do you think won this time?
I think I did.
Yeah, I think you did, too.
I think IPSY won this time.
I think so, too.
What was my other one?
All right.
These were mine.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. And we'll see you in our next video.
Bye, guys.
Bye.